Listen carefully, because this isn't about pretty patterns, and it's not about mathematical art. It's about why reality repeats itself at every scale. In mathematics, a fractal is a structure that looks similar no matter how closely you zoom in or out. The same pattern appears again and again in different sizes, in different forms, but with the same underlying structure. Branches resemble trees, lungs resemble branches, rivers resemble veins, galaxies resemble neural networks. The pattern doesn't copy itself exactly, it expresses itself. Now pause here. This doesn't mean the universe is literally made of fractals everywhere. It means something more important, that the universe favors repetition of structure, not randomness. Complexity doesn't emerge from chaos alone. It emerges from simple rules applied repeatedly. And this principle doesn't stay in nature. It appears in consciousness. Your thoughts form patterns. Your emotions follow familiar loops. Your relationships repeat similar dynamics. Your life echoes themes you've lived before. Not because you're stuck, but because awareness expresses itself through structure. This is why insight feels familiar even when it's new. Why growth often feels like coming back rather than moving forward. You're not discovering something foreign. You're recognizing a pattern at a deeper level. Fractals explain why change at one level affects every other level. A small shift in perception reshapes behavior, which reshapes relationships, which reshapes your environment. Same pattern, different scale. This is also why forcing change rarely works. You can't fix a fractal by breaking one piece. You change it by altering the rule that generates it. In awareness, that rule is reaction. When reaction stays unconscious, the pattern repeats. When reaction is observed, the pattern reorganizes. Not instantly, not dramatically, but consistently. And here's the key insight. Awareness is not outside the pattern. It is the pattern becoming aware of itself. That's why the universe feels coherent instead of fragmented. Why meaning appears instead of randomness. Why the same lessons keep showing up until they're seen. The universe behaves like a fractal because awareness does. Not repeating itself mechanically, but expressing the same intelligence through every layer of reality. From the smallest scale to the largest, from matter to mind, from the universe to you. If this message resonated with you, stay connected. Subscribe, follow, and share this with someone who needs it.